Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for February the 11th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. Today's FirstWord Pharma News Roundup is sponsored by Sedgedeem. In our top news story, Genzyme and Voyager Therapeutics entered a deal potentially worth up to $845 million to develop gene therapies for severe central nervous system disorders. Genzyme CEO David Meeker remarked, "The field of gene therapy has advanced rapidly in the past several years, and the science has never been better." Also featured, GlaxoSmithKline acquired the remaining shares in Glycovaxin for $190 million in cash, taking full ownership of the vaccine company. Moncef Slaoui, chairman of GlaxoSmithKline's vaccine unit, noted that the deal will expand our research efforts to develop a new generation of vaccines for common and severe bacterial infections. In other news, CSL warned that profit in the current financial year would be approximately 10%, less than the 12% previously forecast. CEO Paul Perreault remarked, "We expect that global demand for plasma therapies will continue to grow, but the market will become increasingly competitive with new competitors and new products." In addition, Indivior's sales fell 8% last year to $1.1 billion as competition for its addiction treatment Suboxone eroded market share and drove down prices. CEO Sean Thaxter noted that revenues were likely to fall further in 2015 to between $850 million and $880 million. And finally, Gilead Sciences predicted that the number of chronic hepatitis C patients in Europe who are treated with Harvoni will greatly increase this year. Gilead President John Mulligan said deals have been reached with Italy and Spain, adding if they commit to certain volumes, we'll commit to certain price concessions. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Take a look at us now, the new mobile intelligence. Performing better together.